By Alistair Wong, June 26, 2018. 2:30 p.m. Blizzard's patent for the play of the game system in Overwatch, used to rewatch a particular player's highlights at the end of a game, was recently granted by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Thanks, Unicorn. The patent talks about how timestamps are recorded on when the event occurs, then the system chooses a top player in a certain category, before showing the replay of their highlight. Patent also includes the social sharing features added post-launch for Overwatch. With the patent now firmly in Blizzard's hands, they might be going after any games that currently have a similar feature, or any Overwatch clones. Overwatch is available for PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC. Video game stories from other sites on the web. These links leave Siliconera.